Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can pause notifications for your workspace on Slack really quickly. So let us get started. Now guys, if you've grown tired of these notifications, for example, sent to you via email or via push notifications here on your Slack workspace, there's a simple way how you can pause these for a specific amount of time, temporarily, for example, or permanently. So let me show you how to do that. Head over to your Slack account, of course, select the workspace here in the top left corner. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner here. And from here, simply hover your mouse over pause notifications. Near to the right, you will see a variety of notification settings. Like, for example, you may pause these notifications for 30 minutes, for an hour, for 2 hours, until tomorrow, until next week. Or set a custom notification schedule or a custom pausing by clicking on custom here, and simply decide for how long you would like to pause the notifications. For example, let's say I would like to pause it up to end of the next month, which would be June 2025. So let me go, for example, with 30th of June, just like that. You may also select the time of the day. Let's leave it at 11 a.m. for example. And after that, confirm by clicking on pause notifications here, so that these changes may be applied. And as you can see in the bottom left corner, next to my profile icon, there's that small green circle indicating my activity status or visibility status. And you see a Z, which is indicating that the notifications have been paused. Do not disturb, as you can see, until Monday, June 13th. You may resume notifications by clicking on that button here, and that is going to change your status again and enable these notifications. So guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.